And in looking at the regulation 2.304, physical alteration of habitat, this applies to rivers under regulation 2. The flow regime of the river during summer is different than it is during springtime, winter, or fall, and sometimes it's very hard to predict. You can't always rely on rainfall to sustain stream flows, and some practices in the state use a lot of water and are in watersheds that are designated as being protected somewhat under regulation 2. And so with the forecasted increase of natural gas extraction in the national forest, particularly over the next decade, I'm confused on how that can occur given the definition under 2.304 as it is. And so a little better description or attachment D form that goes along with it, I think would be helpful.
Attachment D.
Yeah.
Appendix D?
Yes, appendix D.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so additional appendix added to clarify that section?
Well, yeah, just in the use analysis for not altering the physical habitat, it's hard to say whether you can or cannot significantly alter the physical habitat, given that the stream flows are not always consistent.
Okay.
And using an annual average is somewhat tricky. In other words, we might get half of our rain in 1 week and then go most of the year without rain and then get more rain at the end of the year. But if you do an analysis to study whether significant alteration will not occur, it's hard to do that accurately on an average of any kind. And so that's something I think that could be better defined to help somebody like me understand how you can actually fill out the forms and do an environmental study if you don't actually know how much water there's going to be or when it's going to be there. For example, if you're taking water in the summer and it's been a drought for a long time, then you're significantly altering physical habitat because you could potentially take more water out than is actually in the ground and feeding the stream at that time.
Okay.
Can you make any sense out of that?
No, that's a very good point.
Okay.
We've got it recorded and we've got it on
Okay.
paper.
Okay.